Hi friends, today I am with a new smartwatch. This is by Crossbeat and the model name is Everest. And if you see the features, what it comes with the AMOLED screen, it has a aluminum frame, Bluetooth calling it supports. It comes with the IP68 rating and it also has a always on display. So let's unbox and see what are the box content. Keep staying in this video till the end. I will show you all the features, what it has and the price also. Now talking about the smartwatch, it looks very much premium. It has a rugged kind of finish. It looks like complete sports watch. And here you get a pogo pin charger inside the box, and there are some paperwork which include 6 months of warranty, and there is a free screen guard which you can avail using the scanning the QR code. So these are some of the paperwork what you get. Even you have a user manual which you can scan and see. I will definitely recommend you guys to check out the user manual before using it. To boot up the smartwatch, you need to plug in with the charger. Once you plug in here, then your smartwatch is ready and good to go. And after that, you need a CB Fit app, which is a Crossbeat Fit app to connect, which I will show you later. The straps can be changeable. You can change the straps very easily. And in the box you get only one set of strap which is already pre-installed with your smartwatch. It is very easy to get other watch bands from the market. It will be coming in two colors. We got the green color, the other color is the black one. So there are two color options available for this smartwatch, and it looks pretty much rugged. It comes with the IP68 rating, so it is waterproof and dustproof at the same time. It has a two physical buttons. It has a aluminum ring. It comes with 1.43-inch display which is having 466 into 466 resolution, and if you see, it looks pretty premium. Even wearing the watch, it feels very light because it is only of 50 grams. The strap is also of a premium quality. Here you can see the speakers on this side. You can see that clearly two holes which are meant for the speakers. So when you are getting a ring, you can have the ringer mode on and it will show all the calls are coming, then it will ring. So there are speakers. On the other side, we are getting the mic, which I will show you right now. Now by this you can do the Bluetooth calling. Here you can see clearly there is a small dot which is used for mic. It comes with a single mic in this smartwatch, and it comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 which gives you a Bluetooth calling support also. I will show you how the Bluetooth call works. Now coming to the app, this is the CB SmartFit app which you need to download. It is available for Android and iOS. iOS 10 version or above or Android 5.1 or above can install this. Once you install it, this is the screen what you are getting. For that you have to first pair with your smartwatch. How you will do, I will show that too. First you put your personal details. Once filling that, you can also check the firmware update, it is updated or not. Pairing is very easy. You click on it. Here the smartwatch model will be available. CB for Crossbeats and then Everest, Crossbeats Everest, and it will check the firmware is there is any latest version available. Currently it is running on the latest version, so we will definitely not talk about that. Now going back, few more settings. If you go, there is a personal information, permission settings. This is very important to get all the notifications from the app. You need to give the permission to the app. Once you give that for location, call log, camera, contacts, music, each and everything, then your smartwatch can access all these features. It is not a necessary thing, but if you give it manually, then only your smartwatch can access those data or the call log, music, if you want to access those from your smartwatch. So it is completely up to you. Now you also can give the background running activity. It is also necessary to get any notification from the smartwatch if the battery is down or not. For that also you have to give the permission. So for this, I will also recommend you guys to give the permission to your smartwatch to give it a proper access for your camera, music, contacts, call log, even few more things. Now going back, even there is a small shortcut. This is a floating button which you can switch it off. I will show you how you can switch this off. But now coming back to the settings, here is a personal information which will give you about, you can put about your age, height, your birth date and few more details, even your gender. Then there is a training plan which includes the how many steps you want to cover in a day. Select the training day, which days you want. There is goal settings also. So currently if I am selecting Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, these are the 3 days I want. At what time I want to do start the training, these all training schedules can be made. The goal settings can be the step number which you can change. Currently it is 8000, but you can change it manually. Go and check the system settings also about that. Even after that, there is also common problem. If you have some errors in connecting with the smartwatch, you can check all these. Even the feedback is also there. There are a few more things including in the smartwatch. It includes the call feature. You can enable it, and once it gets synchronized, it will take some time. Just be patient. It will synchronize all the contacts from your smartphone to your smartwatch. This is all a one-time process, so be a little patient. This is only one time. After that, you don't need to do this kind of all features. All syncing can be done after first time when you are installing your smartwatch, and this is very helpful while you are calling through your smartwatch and you don't want to use your phone. Sedentary reminder: if you are sitting for a longer time, it will notify you. You can send text SMSs, and even I will recommend you to switch on the quick reply for the SMS. It is also a helpful feature. Now if you want to see, you can shake and take a picture from your smartwatch using the smartwatch. Even if you want to find where is your smartwatch, you can use this feature, find best. How you will get the music, and this is how your smartwatch will turn on the music, and you will know that where your smartwatch is lying. Even the bracelet you are looking, you can turn it on and you can find your phone using your smartwatch. Now there are few more things. There are language already given. I am using in English language. You can change the language if you want. Firmware upgrade, I have already shown you, it is currently running on the latest firmware. And there is also SOS mode. You can add the contact. I pray to God that you don't have to use this feature ever. Even you can clear the data, you can unbind. There are some of the sports mode. If you want, you can add few more sports mode. Currently the watch supports 100 plus sports mode, which I will definitely show you. It has a broadcasting, even the heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, every meter can be synced. But currently I haven't wore the watch. Now using it for some time, you can see there is a change in the numbers, and it includes the heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, and also sleep. You can switch that off from the home screen of the app, which is very easy. Even there is a weather monitor also in this. Now one more important thing which I have forgotten is the watch faces. The smartwatch supports 200 plus watch faces, which is great. I will definitely love to show you all the watch faces, but I will little fast forward the video so that you can check it out how many watch faces are available. It is a very long list. You can install that, but do remember you need a proper internet connection while installing the watch face. So it is very easy how to install a watch face, but you have to be little patient, and also you need an active internet connection. So currently you can see a lot number of watch faces are available. I will install one and show you how it works. It will take few seconds, but be a little bit patient. When you press, it will synchronize. It will take some time, but after installing it is very easy, and you can use that watch face. Once the installation has been done, you can see the watch face is changed and you can use it. Even there are few more settings even in the dial. Currently which dial I am having, there is a custom dial which you can make it from your end. I am not going into that. You guys can try it out. If you have any question, just let me know. App reminder, which means the push notification message of Instagram, YouTube, Messenger, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, these you have to switch on manually, so that these apps, whenever you are getting a notification, it will be displayed on your smartwatch. And once you switch them on, you are good to go and you can use them. Even here you can see there are few more things. Call reminder: if you get a call, I will definitely recommend you guys to switch it on. And there is also heart rate reminder, raise your hand reminder. Raise to wake, I always suggest you guys to switch it on. It is a useful feature which I will show you later on in this video. Now let's try out the smartwatch in our hand and I will show you rest of the features from it. Now in the smartwatch, it is very light in weight. It feels you very premium after wearing. If you swipe from the right to left, then you will see there is an activity notification sleep monitor. This is for the SpO2. There is also BPM monitor. And after that you are getting few more features which include the call feature, which has call log, even the number pad directly, contacts, and also the dial pad. There is no new contact, and call logs currently it is not showing, and there is a dial pad too. So dial pad is very easy if you know the number. Then there is also weather. All the weather forecast is here. Also you get a remote control for your music. There are lots of sports mode available. Currently the brand has claimed 100 plus. I will like to show you all those. So if you can just pause the video and check it out, the number of sports which are available, it gets nearly 100 plus, which is a huge amount. And the best part is that it gets a IP68 rating, so it is a water and dust proof. The watch is fully rugged as per the company. It has the 850 nits of brightness, so when you are in the sunlight also you have a proper visibility. Company claims if you are in a regular user, it can last up to 7 days. If you are normal user, it can last up to 15 days, and in standby it can last up to 30 days, which is definitely great. If you want to add few things, you can add them. Currently I have all on the screen. If you want to delete few modes or few things, you can do that also. Now we are going back again to the home screen. Now if you swipe from the left to right, here are a few more things. It has the time, date, battery percentage, even the breathing. There is also alarm clock, there's timer, you can go and check that out too. Even there is messages, voice assistant is also present. Heartbeat can be checked from here directly, which is a great thing. And also in the bottom you have SOS feature, which I told you. Even there is setting. We will go to the settings later on. It will also show you the steps. If you swipe from the bottom, you will see the notification. If you swipe from the top, you can see it is already paired. It has a calling feature, battery percentage, even what is the day, even Bluetooth calling, the circular look. Here I will show you, this is the circular look, how it looks. And if you want to change it, then the next look will be like this. And the third, there are total 3 kinds of view. The last is the list view, so this all will be in the list view. So you can try this out. So it's completely up to you how you want to customize. And there is DND, do not disturb. Then there is also lift your wrist to check, and you can increase or decrease the brightness. Then there is also silent mode. You can find your phone just by tapping this, and your phone will start ringing. We have tried from finding the smartwatch, but this is how it will show. It will also show the notification on your smartphone. So this is how ringing will show. Then there is also low power mode, which you can switch it on. Then there is a lock mode. For switch it back on, you have to press it for a longer. Once you unlock it, the last option what we got is the setting. So let's go to the setting. Here is the watch faces and theme, which is the first option. In that you have the dial, all the dials, you can check it out. Always on display is a feature which you can customize with your hand. Here are a few preloaded dials which are already given in the smartwatch. You can also install with the app from your smartphone. Currently I am putting this as a watch face. Now if I go to the settings again back, and go to the watch face and theme, then there is always on display, which I have already switched on. For that also there are few dial modes for always on display. You can go and check them out too. And in the bottom you have also theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, which I have already shown you. Theme 1 is completely circular, then there is spiral, and there is also the last one, which is a list view. These are all the 3 themes which you are getting. This is the theme which you can directly access from that. Then there is a language also which you can change. Then the language currently I am using is English, and there is date and time. Currently I am using on 12-hour time, which I prefer mostly, and there is also date which you can change. Even there is the brightness, you can change that too. Screen time can be max up to 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, and the minimum is 5 seconds. The less screen time means less battery consumption, so definitely remember this thing. So I will recommend you to have around 15 to 30 seconds, which is a good screen time for your smartwatch. So after that, there is sound and vibration. Going to sound and vibration, I put the vibration always on high, and the phone audio, if you want to switch it on or switch it off, it is completely with you. I am just switching it off. Then there is a mute mode. If you have incoming calls, it will, you can mute it from this. Raise to wake, which I always think is an important feature. I will show you how it works also. And lastly, there is DND all day, or there is time zone, QR code to scan and get the app. Then there is system for rebooting or switch it off, and there is also a reset option, so you can go and directly reset your smartwatch. These are the three options what you are getting in the system. Then there is an info which will give you the MAC address and other things of this smartwatch. Coming back to the home screen, this is basically what you are getting. Few more things in the app settings you can get, weather, then there is SOS feature, toolbox, and there is also voice assistant. It supports the voice assistant, and I haven't tried that out. You guys can try it out and let me know. There is a flashlight, which is definitely an important feature. Remote camera is also there, and in the toolbox I will show you how the flashlight works. When you are in the dark mode, you can just switch it on and it will glow. So this is how the flashlight will work. There is also the remote camera can app. You can just tap it on and capture the image. And this is lastly the calculator, which is also present in the smartwatch. Let's talk about the physical buttons. There are two buttons. In the bottom you are getting a sports mode, which you tap, you can go directly to the sports mode. Here if you do a longer tap, it will show all the activities. So the normal tap will take you to all the sports mode, and the longer press of the tap will show you all the activity stats. Now if you press the top one, which is the home one, it will take you to the home screen and also take you to the menu. If you do the longer press, then you can switch off your smartwatch. So here you can see it will take you to activities, or either you can go back to your home. If you do the longer press, you can turn off your smartwatch. This is how your notification will pop up. You can delete that from here. It will not show your own phone. And this is how your always on display will show, which is also a great thing because it has that feature. And this is how you can use the raise to wake. The Crossbeats Everest is available for 1,999. It will be go on sale through Amazon, Flipkart. You can buy that, and it will be available on two colors, green and black color. This is all about the Crossbeats Everest, which is a rugged smartwatch. This is Devin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.